Good morning, students. Good morning, families. Welcome you and welcome June because it's a new month and we have many things to do. Okay, I'm going to show you some things, objects, animals, and you're going to think and say the names, okay? For example, this one. What's this? What do you think? It is a rhino. Okay, excellent. Yes, you pay attention. Very good. Very well, excellent. Yes, it is a rhino. Oh, what's this? What's this? It is a rabbit. Very good. Excellent. Yes, it is a rabbit. And oh my God, what is happening now? What's this? Yeah, this is rain. Very good. Excellent. And what about this? It is a color, right? What color is it? Blue, yellow, red. Yes, it is red. Excellent. It's the red color. Excellent. Very good. And after the rain, what happens? Yeah, a rainbow can appear. Very good. Excellent. Rainbow. And what about this? It is a rose. All these things have one thing in common. Sound R. Yes. So, today you are going to learn sound R. Okay? Well, excellent. There you have all the activities ready. So, remember to write the day. Today is Monday. Okay? And remember to write. What's the weather like today, students? Tell me. Okay? Bye-bye.